How old are you? How old is your father? How old is your mother? How old is your brother? How old is your sister? How old is your son? How old is daughter? How old is Amitabh Bachchan? How old is your neighbor? How old is your grandfather? How old is your grandmother? How old is the headmaster of your school? How old is your class teacher? How old is your friend? How old is your uncle? How old is your aunt? How old is your maternal uncle? How old is your maternal aunt? How old is your cousin? How old is your nephew? How old is your niece? Thank you.